Hello custom viewers, welcome to Xauusd Outlook. I'm Ezra. In this video I'll be breaking down from our technical and fundamental analysis using code data and what we have been doing here before in following what we'll be expecting in this coming week on early time frame on gold. So looking at gold here, we have a break of structured upside. We have a break of structured upside right here. So since we have a break of structured upside right here at this high, so after market broke this particular high right here, we have a swing point high front here as a higher high. After that, we have a low right here, then a high right here. All right, so this high failed to break this high. So probably what we have here is kind of like SMS move right here. We have an SMS movement right here. So since we have SMS movement right here, we will expect more drop on price to the downside around this area. Now, going to weekly time frame to see what market is doing or market is building on this time frame, we see that market broke this low already. So breaking this low give us what we call a minor break of what structure, or call it break of structure. That's normal break of structure. All right, since we have this normal break of structure right here, what we expect of price, we expect more drop move on gold at the moment. We expect more drop move on gold at the moment until gold gives us what otherwise. So we're expecting to drop into this little range right here. This is a little swing point that market has not what mitigated before on this time frame. Okay, since we have this, we have a range right here. We have a POI within this range right here that we can use to create a higher high on gold. All right, so since we have this range and market has already cleared some liquidity around this area right here, so since market has already cleared some liquidity around this area, we will expect market to give us what a build-up accumulation right here, or a cool reversal pattern around this area for us to expect accumulation to the upside. All right, so we could actually see something like this right here, but without confirmation we now look for buying move. So we will still stick to the bearish bias on this gold. So going to daily time frame, since market has already broken that low, let's go back to the time frame and add this line daily time frame. So now since we have made it visible on the daily time frame, now coming to this daily time frame, we see how market build up some liquidity around this area. So after market build up some liquidity around this area, we have SC right here as a POI. So since we have this SC right here, what do we expect of price at this SC low? We expect what a buy move to the upside. We expect buy move, right? Expecting to trade at least into this range. If possible, we can rate this particular high on gold. We can actually rate this high if possible. Until we have confirmation, we will not look for that buy. So, but the main idea on this daily time frame is that we are still in bearish order flow. Why? Because market has already traded into our internal structure right here to give us a new lower low, and we are bearish. We are still what bearish. So we expect more bearish move on gold, but we can actually expect market to create something like this around this area. So something like this here, then a drop right here. This will be more preferable, or a complete model, a complete sell model. All right, so that's that. Now coming to our time frame right here, before we use our code data, we see how let's use one more time frame, it will be better of that. We see how market created broke this low right here with kind of like buy to stop hunting this particular low. So since market has already stopped hunt this old low as the previous day low and gave instant rejection on lower time frame, and it was able to close above a swing point high. So that will actually confirm a bullish confirmation. So given us that bullish confirmation, this will make this low right here an inducement low, right? That will make this particular low right here as inducement low. So since you have that inducement low right here, you can have your SC, that's our sponsored candle right here as your POI. So having this SC, that's this black candle right here as your refined SC candle, so you can actually look for more buy move to the upside, at least around this area. But the main thing you look for is what? Confirmation. That's what you look for at this SC area. So since you are looking for confirmation, you focus that confirmation on lower time frame, at least for this little range right here. After market from a lower low, a lower high, then it will form kind of like a little lower low that it will manipulate with this low, then give you a higher high right here. So giving you this higher high will be your intent for short-term buy. Right, that will be your intent for short-term buy. So since we have that short-term buy, and our nearest range, our good nearest range around this time frame is this range high. So we can see we have our break of structure from this range. So you can see we have our last break of structure from this range on good. So this will be our nearest range whereby we can actually create a lower low. If not, we have another POI right here which you can mark out. After market give us a buy order flow, you can actually mark this area at least to trade a pullback into this range for buy continuation, to at least to trade into this area for inducement. That is the main thing you have to understand on good at the moment. That's the main thing you have to understand. So since we have this POI and it has already hit price, that was on Friday, New York peso, and give a good reaction. So you can actually hold, if you have already taken the buy, you can hold the buy at least a little bit long term till midweek reversal. So that is the main idea. And coming back to that daily time frame, you see how market always moves. So it formed a little candle right here, kind of a pin bar. After the pin bar was formed, we see a sharp move. So this will help you, this pin bar will help you that I knew a strong or momentum candle will be formed. The same thing here, pin bar was formed, a momentum candle was formed, a pin bar here, at least a little bit momentum candle was formed before the main one, which is this candle right here. Despite the fact of the week, after that another bullish and bearish candle formed right here. So this candle reading, at least you can expect what a momentum move. The same thing, you can actually see it right here, these two candles right here, then a good candle. So we can actually expect another printed candle right here. At least if it breaks this high, then we can have something like this right here to the upside within the week. So that is our main view on gold for this week. So going to look at what we call the cost data within few seconds. So we have the 13 weeks that we do use with the average of it. We have the last data telling us that we have what in long position right here, short, their percentage of in long, percentage in short position, the net position, and all this is on good. So the overall net position, that is the average of it, is 227,400 approximately. So we have decrease in long position, right? That means they have decrease in long position. That means that was why we have some good bearish move on good till on Friday of it, before that bullish move we had. So since we have that bullish move, we can actually expect that short-term buy move to the upside. Now here we have short in they are what increasing short position. That means they have more percent in that short position. So that means we can actually seek for more bearish move on good. That was why our bias on daily time frame and weekly, monthly is still bearish, but just short term on minutes / 1 hour time frame, we can expect what a short term bullish trend around that area before a bearish continuation. The same process right here, the same thing. We have that decreasing in long position, decreasing in short position, that decreasing both of them, telling us we could actually on USD, next for USD we can actually go into a consolidation on USD. So the net position here is what they are using long position. That's the overall, and this has been what we have been talking about. The same thing with gold. They are reducing what long position. So the sentiment is that they are reducing what strength on gold, also reducing strength on USD. So the net position on both is that they are reducing long position. So this give us more idea that we are what bearish on daily, weekly, and monthly. So only on intraday time frame you can see some bullish move before a bearish continuation. So that's that for this week. So good luck, good trading.